Here is how to remove someone from your Messenger group chat. So first, you need to go ahead and launch your Messenger application on your device, log into your specific account, and go to a group chat where you want to remove a member. Remember that you need to be an admin to remove someone from the Messenger group chat. Now to remove, click on the group name in the top of the screen. Then after, select the option of See Chat Members, and you'll see the list of members. If you want to go ahead and remove any member from the group, click on the three dot next to their name and select Remove from Group, which is highlighted in red color, and you'll be done. That person will be instantly removed from this group and they will no longer be able to interact, send messages, media, or do anything in this group chat. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.